Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 major mistakes I've made while building up my Toyota. I've made a few mistakes on my build, and before I even get to that, let's get to the overall philosophy of my build and why I did the things that I did. Now, the overall philosophy of this build, guys, is to pretty much have a modular truck. I wanted my truck to still be able to do truck stuff, like move furniture, haul firewood, as well as still have a home base while camping, and a very comfortable home base. That's why the 4-wheel camper really was the main camper that I went with. Build mistake number 1 for me was to go with the Dobinson's extra heavy duty leaf springs and not go with the airbags. I initially justified it that, hey, I'm not really going to be driving around without the camper that much, but with the extra heavy duty, it was definitely very stupid. You guys have probably seen it in this channel where I pretty much just put my truck on its side. To mistake number 2 that I've done with this build, and that is heavy wheeling with the camper on. So I've experienced it with driving my truck a little bit more recklessly without the camper. My 3rd mistake, which is really not that bad, is putting the diesel tank on the wrong side of the camper. I just